Historically, we have thought of world order as being well described by a phrase, the American century.
What could trigger a new crisis? Well, that's a million-dollar question. Someone asked, could it be China selling its treasury security? My reaction to that seems highly improbable.
I'm personally optimistic about China's economic prospect. At the beginning of this year, Chinese government set the target for economic growth rate between a range of 6% to 6 points. So it's supposed the government will accept the slower economic growth.
AI is a powerful general-purpose technology. We expect it to increase global GDP by as much as $16 trillion by 2030. But one country really stands out as a potential winner, and that is China.
Traditionally, the Asia market has been dominated by retail investors. So what we see with the inclusion is the increasing importance of institutional investors and international institutional investors in the market.